Hey guys, what's up everybody? I hope you're all doing great. This is Kristy and welcome back on my channel. So for today's video guys, I am going to share to you my experience on how I get here in Germany, what visa did I get, or how was the process before, something like that. This was actually asked to me how many times in my old account on YouTube, and recently I again received some questions about it. So if you're interested to know how I get here, please stay tuned. Just a little background now guys, I arrived here in Germany around 2011 of August or July. I think it's August because wedding was in September. Yes, it was on August of 2011 and ngayon is 2019 na. So 8 years ago nang lumipas. Kaya medyo mahirap-hirap na siyang alalahanin Pero naghanungkat ako kanina sa mga gamit ko and I saw some documents which I brought here when I came here. So may mga documents akong nakita guys. And it's so funny because yung mga pictures mo, neneng-nene ako, grabe. So nag-apply kami ng ng marriage/fiance visa, parang ganun. Ang una kong ginawa guys at the time, naghanap ako ng school for German language and dun ako nag-aral sa Goethe Institute sa Makati for I think 4 months, mga ganun, intensive course yun. And then nag-take ako ng exam and then nakapasa and then yun, may certificate na ako for A1. Yun yung first requirement for coming here in Germany. Kahit anong visa guys, I think except lang sa tourist visa, you don't have to study the language, pero yung mga other visas, yun yung first requirement nila to come here. Work visa, marriage, spouse visa, mga ganun, you have to have the A1 certificate. The other documents guys that were needed for applying the visa aside from the A1 certificate mo were passports, your passport and the passport of your partner, tapos 2 copies each. And then birth certificate ko. I also included the birth certificate of Carlo because he is half German, half Shepherd joke. He is half German, half Filipino guys. And dun sa passport kasi nakikita yung place of birth niya. He was born in Batangas City. So para walang conflict sa papers, in-include ko yung yung birth certificate niya, parang supporting document, pero it is not a must. It was actually not a must also. Pati ngayon, hindi din naman kailangan, pero lang yan, parang supporting document din ang halin. Tapos, sinumar ni Carlo, pero in his case, iba yung binigay niya document because he was married once before, so iba yung documents na sinabit namin. And then, parents' consent ko. I was 24 years old at the time, so kailangan nila ng parents' consent signed with your parents, of course. And then, yung mga kailangan? Meron yata dito eh. Yeah, yun lang siya guys, actually. Travel insurance. Travel insurance. With a minimum coverage of 30,000 yata yun, 30,000. And then yung visa fee before sa akin is around mga 11,000 yata yun, mga 11,000 ba yun? 11 or 12,000, mga ganun. Pero ngayon nakita ko sa nila, sa website nila is parang 75 euro na lang. And then guys, aside ni Carlo, ang hiningi sa kanya were written confirmation of the German Studies Registrar's Office that the application for marriage has been successful with intended date of marriage. So parang may consent siya sa Registrar Office, may certificate siyang ibibigay na when yung plano magpakasal, tshuva, and then formal obligation also na he is from the Ausländer Behörde or foreign affairs sa place ng partner mo, na parang stated that he's responsible for you and he will support you. So, naka-info lang ng partner mo, info mo, anong trabaho niya, mga ganun lang. So, hindi siya masyadong mahirap naman gawin. And of course, your application forms, guys. Tapos may pinakita din akong ticket, flight details ko when I'm expected to fly, parang ganun. Pero in-arrange namin yun sa travel agency namin. So may mga travel agency gumagawa ng ganun, parang tentative lang na flight details mo. And then guys, take note, yung mga original documents nyo, ipa-red ribbon nyo, and then make at least 2 copies of all the original documents. Set aside nyo and 2 copies from each. So, importante din yan. So, if you have completed all the requirements, guys, and the documents are all ready, now that's the time we'll proceed to the next step. And that is making an appointment or setting up an appointment. So, I will put somewhere on this video, guys, calling hours nyo, contact details, paano mag-set up na appointment, ganun. That time tumawag kami ng 6 or 7 in the morning, ganun, kasi pahirapan din pumasok sa linya, guys, ba? And luckily, kami that time, kasi si Carlo umuwi that time sa akin, and nakakuha kami agad ng appointment within that week, so hindi kami medyo nahirapan sa pag-set up ng appointment. Ano lang din ba, parang na-bless lang kami that time, and hindi kami nahirapan sobra sa pag-set up ng appointment. Pero yung narinig ko sa mga kaklase ko before na medyo nahirapan din silang pumasok, yung iba naghintay ng another 2 weeks, mga more than a week para makakuha ng appointment. Pero sa situation namin, hindi kami nahirapan, guys. And then kung meron na kayong appointment, of course, you will come there. Sabay kami ni Carlo pumunta. Yung suot lang namin is formal. Naka-dress ako, tapos si Carlo naka-polo, char. Ewan ko kung makikita ko pa yung picture namin, no? Hanapin ko, kung mahanap ko yung picture namin kung paano kami nagsuot. Lalagay ko somewhere sa video, guys. I-attach ko dito sa video na to, guys, kung makikita ko yung picture namin. Madam na madam ako ng time na yun. May mga pearl pa ako. So, yun. And then, pumunta kami doon sobrang early, like mga half an hour sa appointment time namin. And then, umakyat kami doon kung saan i-interview kami. Tapos, the interview went well, actually. Mga expected namin, kasi usually 20 minutes daw sabi ng mga kaklase ko na nauna sa akin. Pero sa akin ang tagal. Pero kasi sobrang chika nung sa amin, nung nag-interview. Kasi parang na-amaze siya nga, si Carlo nakakapag-Tagalog ba? Kaya sobrang chika siya sa amin. Tanong siya paano kami nagkakilala, how long, mga ganun. So, parang naaliw yung nag-interview sa amin dalawa ni Carlo. And si Carlo sobrang cute mag-Tagalog ba? Kaya, the interview actually went well. Sobra kasi. And, yun. Tapos, sinabihan lang kami na wait na lang for the next process. Yun na nga yung approval sa visa. So, kami, ang hinintay namin is not so long. Like, siguro mga 2 weeks lang ako. And then, nalaman ko na, no, days lang talaga. Hindi umabot ng week. Mga less than a week lang. Yes, parang less than a week lang yata na, or let's say, within 2 weeks lang yata. Hindi ko na sure, guys. Pero, hindi ako sobrang tagal naghintay sa result ng visa. And yun, na-approve kami. And yun, nag-book kami ng ticket, yung actual na talaga ng ticket na mag-fly ako going to Germany. And yun na yun, guys. Also, guys, naalala ko, meron kaming CFO seminar that time na may attach na parang green card sa flight ticket mo and also sa visa mo, parang ganun. So, you have to also attend that seminar. You have also to get that green card, guys, kasi may nangyari din sa klase ko na rebook yung flight niya, pinarebook niya kasi hindi siya nakalipad sa scheduled flight niya kasi nga wala siya yung green card, wala siya noon. Sa akin naman, hindi nangyari yun kasi may mga feedback na akong may mga sinabihan na ako ng mga classmates, close friends ko na nauna nang lumipad dito ba. So, alam ko na yun. So, yun yung overall experience ko sa pagpunta ko dito sa Germany. Paano ako nakapunta dito sa Germany first time. So, yes guys, I hope this video is helpful for you if you are planning to come here in Germany through Fiance visa. Then at least you have ideas, what are the requirements, how the process will be, and all this cheese. Like this video guys if you want me to do more videos like this, if you want to get to know Germany and my personal experiences for the past 8 years, 7 years here. So comment down below in the comment section of this video guys kung ano yung pang gusto nyo malaman about Germany. I am willing to help you and to share my personal experiences. I hope to see you in my next one guys. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel. Live well. Bye!